This website is Slickdeals, which is a very popular deal website. So it lists products and services that are for sale online that have a very good discount at this present moment in time. So as we scroll down the site, we can see some deals. So we can see a free game here, a very cheap PC game, a $100 eBay gift card for $95, and so on and so forth. Now, if you have an ebook or a product for sale online and you want to discount it for just a short period of time, what you can do is submit it to this website as a deal. So all you do is head on over to deals in the menu here, click post a deal, and all you need to do is follow the instructions, which is basically a forum thread. So obviously it's your product, so you'll know if it's not a repost. And basically all you do is follow the 7 guidelines here, enter the information in here, scroll down the page a little bit. As you can see, these are the different types of products or services that you can list on the website. So books is one of them if you have an ebook, or videos if you have tutorials, and you can select the type of deal, category for it to be displayed in, and all of that other information. So it's a real good way of getting more people to not only check out your ebooks or products, but also sell a lot more products as well.